Hello everyone, it is time to do another latest in beauty unboxing. This time these are my June picks. So I will have to admit I have seen the preview for June and I wasn't impressed with most of the items on there. So I've done my selection pretty quick because I did want to get a couple of things again that I got in previous months. That being said, even though I haven't found as many things as I liked this month, I still think it is a good subscription to have because most of my skincare comes through Latest in Beauty. So for the price you pay for the subscription, um, seeing that you can pick so many items when it comes to skincare, well-being, even makeup sometimes, I think it is a good box to have. So let's see what I picked in June, almost at January. Okay. Let's start with this one, which was a newer item on the counter. And this is from AKT, the deodorant balm. So that's what it looks like. Okay, so pardon me. So as you can see, it is sealed, but it doesn't come with something to pierce it through. Usually you have these caps that you can just pierce through. So I'm gonna have to maybe get some scissors or something. This is so fragrant. It's gonna have kind of like a grainy texture. I'm not sure if I enjoy that. It does smell really nice. It has petit grain, mandarin, and neroli, and you can definitely smell the mandarin. Oh, there we are. We have the notes on there. So at first, sliced orange, sweet mandarin, Tuscan sun, and then bitter, Negroni, Neroli blossom, afternoon siesta, and then finally you get notes of Italian cypress, petit grain, and la dolce vita, whatever that means. And to use, you squeeze a pea-sized amount on your finger or the applicator. Is there an applicator inside? No, there isn't. And then massage onto clean skin, underarms, forehead, chest, anywhere you need effective all-day protection. Okay. Okay, next, another newer item. Well, came out last month, but I didn't pick it last month. It's from Sunscreen, which is a detoxifying facial mask. Then I've seen this when I had a look the other day in my box. It says normal to dry skin. I didn't read that on the description. Not that it doesn't say, I just didn't read the description. My skin is combination to oily. I'm going to see if this works for me. Maybe I'll just use a little bit less. So obviously it's sealed. And that's the consistency in there. It feels thick and moisturizing actually. So yeah, I think I'll just use a little bit less. It sinks into the skin super quick. It doesn't have a particular smell, or at least I can't smell anything. So I'm actually really looking forward to using this one. Then another thing I picked is a Rammer sponge. I'm just going to keep this in the packaging for now, and yeah, so we can always do with the sponge. So that's a good one to have around. Okay, this one is from Wet n Wild. It was when they had the Wet n Wild drop. I also had the clear brow lash mascara. I'm just going through a phase where I'm trying clear brow lash mascaras. So I'm going to try the Wet n Wild one as well. I've seen it had really good reviews. So that's the brush there. Again, nothing special, I say again, because I've tried a MUA Cosmetics one, and well, yeah, it was pretty similar. The brush on this one is a little bit smaller, but I'm hoping that this one will either be good for separating the lashes before I apply colored mascara, or setting the brows, or taming flyaways, things like that. And then the other two items are repeats. So I got another toothpaste, the coconut oil one, the Eco-Denta one, because I am actually really enjoying the toothpaste, and I have noticed a difference when I was editing my MUA Cosmetics video. I've actually noticed a difference in my teeth. They do look a little bit whiter, and then the teeth that have plaque on them, they look like the plaque's kind of like gone away a little bit. Nothing major just yet, but it does seem to do something, so I got another one to have. And don't be surprised if you see it again in other unboxings. And the last item is another one of these, which is the Suntouchable Wow Glow SPF 30 from e.l.f. because I really enjoy it. So I thought might as well pick another little mini size. So let's put everything back. So here is my June box. If you also get latest beauty, let me know in the comments. What did you pick this month? I would really love to know. I do watch other unboxings myself because I like knowing and I'm very curious. If you want to know more about latest beauty and you also want to get 20% off your first subscription box, there will be information in the description box and a referral link down there. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out. Lets me know that you enjoy these unboxings. If you're not subscribed yet, I would love it if you would subscribe. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!